My alarms, this one's on slow whoop. My KC sounder, my Roshni on slow whoop. See, the Roshni's on slow whoop. What cool point are we going to do? This is system test 24. Just so I do this cool point, you know, put the key in there. It's slow whoop, isn't it? I'll turn the sounder off by the switch, and I'll reset the call point and then turn that back on again. Which one shall I do next? I'll test it by just using the key. Yeah, it works pretty well. Yeah, I'll take the key out. I like to, you know, start, and then I'll do my Ollie Barber. I wouldn't break the glass in this one because it's glass. I'm only going to use the test key. Okay? Yeah. I'm making a video. Don't worry, I'm just making a video. Like this one. I'll make sure it's off like that, because I want to make new videos for YouTube, because I know, like I said, I know this is how you put the thing down. Yeah, no, I think I do. You know, if I switch it on again, yeah, it will do that. You know, I will take the key out. I will remove the key at that call point. I'm going to take it nice and easy. Yeah, I'll do this one as well next. You know, and I'm going to turn the switch on. Yeah. The Roshni's on slow whoop. I like the Roshni's on slow whoop. It's good. I'll reset the call point. My cycle call point. I'll put the key in there. Key's going to go in the bottom. That's it. Reset. But I was going to say, that's with my thing. What's next to test? Smoke detector. This one only. I'll spray a little bit. Yeah, it's going to go off really shortly. Forgot to turn the freaking switch on. Start again. Damn, forgot to turn that switch back on. Yeah, it's on. Yeah. That's Casey sounder. Alright, the Roshni. I like the Roshni. I like the Roshni sounders when they're on sleep. Yeah. I'll turn the switch off and then blow out the smoke. Blow out the thing. 1, 2, 3. I'm like a bit of a wolf when I pretend to blow the smoke out the detector. Thanks for watching, YouTubers, but please write and comment as long as it's positive. Yeah, keep it positive. Thanks for watching. Bye.